In the xy plane, the equation of line L is x plus 3y is equal to 5. If line M is perpendicular to line L, what is the possible equation of line M? For this equation, first we want to put this into slope-intercept form. So we're going to have x plus 3y is equal to 5. Subtract both sides by y, and we get 3y is equal to 5 minus x. Now we divide both sides by 3 to get y is equal to 5 over 3 minus x over 3, which is equal to y is equal to 5/3 minus 1/3 x. So this is significant because once when we know the slope-intercept form of an equation, we can easily deduce what the y-intercept is and what the slope is. Okay, the next part of this equation is talking about a perpendicular line. So when we know there's a line in this graph, a perpendicular line would look something like this. And a perpendicular line, as you know, would make a 9-degree angle, which means that whatever slope this is, the perpendicular slope is going to be the negative reciprocal. In other words, say if this slope of this line was 2x, therefore the perpendicular line of this, perpendicular slope of this line would be negative 1 over 2x. All right, with that in mind, let's take a look at this equation right here. So we know that this is going to be a slope of negative 1 over 3. So therefore, the negative reciprocal, which is when you flip the two numbers and then take the negative of that, will become 3 over 1. And then you take the negative of that, we'll get positive 3. So now we just look for the option that has a positive 3 slope. That will be D.